A TV tower stands vertically on the side of a road. From a point on the other side directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of tower is 60 degrees. From another point 10 meter away from this point, on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower and the width of the road. So it is the given problem. So let us visualize the problem first. A TV tower stands vertically on the side of a road. From a point on the other side directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of tower is 60 degrees is given. Let us take the height of the tower as AB. Let us consider the point directly opposite to the tower on the next side of the road as C. From this point C, the observer is observing the top of the cell tower with an angle of elevation 60 degrees. And the next the observer move 10 meters away from point C, and from there he is observing the top of the cell tower again. Let us assume this next point as D. So from this point he is observing the top of the cell tower with an angle of elevation 30 degrees. Now this is the visualization of the given problem. Here we have two right triangles in this picture. The first right triangle is ABC with angle of elevation 60 degrees. Second right triangle is ABD with an angle of elevation 30 degrees. Using these two right triangles, we can find the height of the tower and also the width of the road. Let us see how to find out them. Now let us draw the rough diagram for the given information. A road is there. Now AB is the height of the cell tower, and assume this height as h meters. And on the next side of the road we are considering a point C, that is the first position of the observer. From that point C, the observer is observing with an angle of elevation 60 degrees. Now let us assume the width of the road, that is CA equals to x meters. Now the observer moves 10 meter away from point C, and from there he observing the top of the cell tower again. Let us consider that point as D. Now distances between the two points C and D is 10 meters. Now from point C, the angle of elevation of the top of the cell tower is 60 degrees, and from point D, the angle of elevation of the top of the cell tower is 30 degrees. Now we need to calculate the height of the cell tower and also the width of the road. Now let us take right triangle BAC. If we observe this right triangle, for the given angle 60 degrees, AB is the opposite side, which we need to find out, and AC is the adjacent side, that is the width of the road, that we assume as x meters. Now we need to calculate a relation between these two by using trigonometric ratio. So here h and x are the opposite and adjacent side, so we can consider tan trigonometric ratio. Let us take tan ratio. Tan 60 degrees equals to AB by CA, and if we substitute the corresponding values, we get root 3 equals to h by x. Now h equals to x into root 3 we get by simplifying. So let us take this as equation 1. Now let us go for the second right triangle, that is right angle triangle BAD. If we observe this right triangle, the given angle is 30 degrees. For the given angle 30 degrees, the opposite side is AB, that is h meters, and the adjacent side, that is dA, that is 10 plus x meters. Here again we need to find a relationship between opposite side to adjacent side. So let us take trigonometric ratio tan. Tan 30 degrees equals to AB by dA. So 1 by root 3 equals to h by 10 plus x. Now by simplifying that, we get 10 plus x equals to root 3h. Now substitute h equals to x into root 3 in this equation. So we get 10 plus x equals to root 3 into x into root 3. Now on simplifying this, we get x equals to 5 meters. That is the width of the road. Therefore width of the road is 5 meters. Now substituting x equals to 5 in equation 1, we get h equals to 5 into root 3 meters. Therefore the height of the tower is 5 root 3 meters.